This video will be over project 1.5 and 1.6. I will be reviewing document development skills with you, such as changing the table column size, changing the page color, getting rid of borders, inserting word art, merging cells, inserting different numbers on pages, and replacing a word. We may not get to all of those in this video. I promise I will create and publish another one if that's not the case. So we have a lot to review. Well, this isn't really a review, I guess. Maybe some of it is for some of you, but either way, let's get started. So project 1.5, make sure when it is completely done that it looks like what you will see in the figure 1.5 on your Google Docs specialist. I was briefly going over this since some students have been having issues. Aside from researching Google Doc specialist in your own Google bar, opening it up that way, that may help. Also, if you click on CTRL on the left bottom side, as well as the minus sign, there's a minus and plus on the top right side, that can make it larger or smaller. That may assist you. Any of students who are having that issue, when you hover over it, you should be able to go up and down, which is why I'm slightly concerned. Also, those of you who are having that issue with only seeing a part of your screen, I highly recommend that you download Google Chrome. If you're using Amazon, Firefox, any of these other different search engines, that may be issue. And by the way, before you download, please ask your parents. Don't just download things to their computers without asking permission. That would probably drive them nuts. So hopefully that assists and helps some of you students who are struggling with that. Back to project 1.5 and 1.6. I also am going over 1.5 to 1.8's notes. I don't know if you're aware of that. We'll probably go over, well, as many as we can. So let's get started. I have inputted this table right here. Again, if you don't remember how to do that, you simply go to Insert. From Insert, you go to Table, and you create according to the diagrams that have been specified. So to change the table column side, you're going to right-click on whichever column you want to change. Let's go for the leftmost column in this case. By the way, if you're like me and you're trying to use a laptop, specifically a Google Chrome laptop, and you can't right-click, all you do is press Alt and then click your mouse pad. And there you go. So from here, you are now going to go to Table Properties. And from Table Properties, you are able to change the column width. Let's change this to 2 inches. How about 2.5? You can also, from here, change the border. We're going to be coming back here. This is to get rid of the border. You're going to right-click again, Table Properties, and then go to 0 points. You're going to see that it will briefly be gone. It's still there for you to input as you need. Sorry about that. But let's right-click and make that visible again. There we go. So again, if you want to change the table column size or get rid of the border, now you know to right-click and then go to Table Properties. To change the page color,